Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to enable new hidden feature in the last build in dev channel in Windows Insider program. Build number 25267. Which is how to enable stickers and how to draw in your desktop. So, let's start. Open your browser. And search for vivetool GitHub. Go to this link. I'll leave it on the video description. Go to the latest release. Download the zip file. Go to the downloaded file. Right-click. Extract all. Browse. This PC. C drive. Windows. Select System 32. Select Folder. Extract. Select this checkbox. Continue. Close all windows. Open Start menu. Search for Registry Editor. Run as administrator. Go to this location. I'll leave it in the video description. Local machine. Software. Microsoft. PolicyManager. Current. Right-click on device. New key. Name it stickers. Right-click inside stickers. New DWORD 32-bit. Name it EnableStickers. Open it. Change the value to 1. OK. And now we need to enable drawing on desktop. So, open Start menu. Search for CMD, run as administrator. Yes. Type this command. I'll leave it in the video description also. Press Enter. It will tell you successfully set feature configuration. Close the CMD. Restart your laptop. After restarting the system, open Start menu. Search for Settings. Personalization. Background. You will find new section called Choose Stickers for your wallpaper. Click Add Stickers. And you can choose any stickers to add on your wallpaper. Just click on it. And it will add it to your wallpaper. We can add another one. Also we can change sticker location by click and drag. If you click this icon, you can select the color and the size. Then we can start drawing in our desktop. After finish, we can close it. And if you want to delete stickers, just go to Settings. Personalization. Background. Add stickers. Then select sticker and click Delete. That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.